How to transfer from Virgin Money credit card to bank account. Now in our previous video we learned how to transfer from bank account to Virgin Money credit card, but in this case we want to transfer from credit card and load them to our bank account. Now to transfer money from Virgin Money credit card to a bank account, what you can do is simply open the Virgin Money credit card app and just make sure that you are logged into your account. Then once you basically log into your account, there are a couple of steps that you have to do. You have to simply go to the payments option. So all you have to do is after you log in, just navigate to the payment section, and after that simply choose money transfer and simply select a transfer rate. After you have done that, enter the amount that you would like to transfer to your bank account and enter the account number and sort code of the bank account that you're trying to send to. Then simply enter your app password. Now you can only transfer money to an account in your name or the name of another cardholder on the account. A transaction fee may also apply, and this way you should be able to transfer money from Virgin Money to other bank account. I hope that this video pretty much helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you in the next video.